Welcome, here I've got VIVAX Point X503 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Now let's just simply slide to the right to advanced camera settings, and here in these settings we have the composition line option. When we pick it, we can add some grid lines to our camera preview. Now let's pick the grid. And let's go back to the camera to see it. As you can see, we have these lines. This is useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography. Let's just slide again and pick the composition line and go to the golden section now. And in the camera preview we can see that this is kind of spiral. This is also useful when we want to make experiments with composition of our picture. Now let's slide once again, pick the composition line. Let me show you also the reticule. In the camera preview it looks like that. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when we go here to the left to this button, so we get quick access to the gallery, we can't see the grid lines at the real picture, so they are only to help us taking better photos. And also when we slide again to the right, pick the composition line, we can go to box, and in the camera preview it looks like that. And of course, once again sliding to the right, composition line, and we can close them, and for now the grid lines have gone from the camera preview. And that's all. This is how to use this. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.